Morning. Well, for me, whatever time it is you're at, hope you're having a fascinating day, a wonderful day, a gorgeous day like I am. You know, despite our issues and stuff we have wrong with us, it doesn't take away from the fact it's gorgeous. And I'm sipping on some coffee. Oops, I just showed the back end of the knife. And we're going to get into this. Of course, I picked up something at Traditional Pocket Knives. They was having a sale. And thanks to my sister. I want to thank my sister for making this possible. I let her dogs out every day, and she gave me a paycheck, as they call it. I woke up this morning and I had an envelope at my door that said Steve Paycheck. And it's also I let my sister's stepson, more like son, let their dogs out too. They got toy haulers, which is RVs or pull behind campers with the garages on them, and they're parked side by side, so I let both of them out at the same time. It's therapeutic for me to get out and walk with them. Uh, I'd only make it about 70 yards, if that, and I have to turn around because can't. I just don't have the strength or the health or nothing to go any further. But anyway, that's beside the point. But I want to thank you, Stacy. And I just screwed up and said your name, but you deserve to be called out. And my sister is Stacy. Now, I won't get into nothing else on her information, but and Cameron, Ariel, I can't ever say it right, and Brandon, I appreciate you guys for doing this. But anyway, I've been blabbering long enough. It just means a lot to me. I'm not able to work, so any extra money that I'm able to make is truly just a blessing to me, because it makes it where I can do stuff like this. But anyway, we do have, and most of y'all have done figured out what it is, but we have a QSP. But which one did I get? So I looked at them and looked at them and looked at them, and I won't say what I looked at, but trying to figure out which one to get. And I love the carbon, the fat carbon, the colors, all that. So I thought about it a minute. Well, actually, for a couple of days before I decided to pull the trigger, because I was fighting myself. You just got this money. Do you want to just spend it all at one time? And I thought, sure I do. But you get the QSP stickers, the penguin and the wolf. And this is one of the most important ones. Yeah, this is the box that originally came in. Help support Austin Traditional Pocket Knives. keep him in business. He's a good dude. I say dude, he's a good guy, whatever you want to call it. But I really like the box that he puts the QSP in. It's just an added touch, and you can get a hold of him here. Hopefully that's coming in. And we'll take a closer look at what I got later when I review it. But I just like sitting here talking to you guys because I don't get out much. So it's a release for me, you know. But anyway. And I got the Hedgehog. And like I said, I went back and forth which one to get. But I ended up getting the G Titanium. The jigging is done so uniform. And the fit and finish on these are, as Brother Terry would say, jam up in jelly time. But this is a slip joint, so it's got back spring. But look at that. It looks like one piece of solid metal. I hope that's coming in. And if I remember right, well, I had a card with it. It's not easy to pick up off of concrete. But we'll get it out here. You see, it's jigged, titanium, all of it's titanium. Back spring with the fit and finish is so good. It's like T8 pivot, T8 body screw with its captive pivot. You got the long nail pull or fuller, or whatever you want to call it. And there's another that sticks up where you can just grab it. But it is about an 8 pull. It's a pretty good pull. But anyway, this is got M390 blade steel. We'll get the specification sheet out. The blade on it is 2.875 inches. You know, the Hedgehog's been out a while. And the handle is 3.75 inches. Got the lanyard hole, which is back here. And it's it. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I was excited to get it. And I like a slip joint. You know, I like the snap and walk and talk. It's just a good little slip joint. But I was excited to get that. We'll take a closer look at it whenever I get my new other tripod. I got a new one that was overhead, but it won't come back far enough. You know, and I don't want to do an across the tabletop view or a side view, which may not matter. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's about all I got. And again, I appreciate my sister for making this possible. It's very cool, very lightweight. And we'll do the tabletop, you know, after I've carried it, used it, and see what. But that's about it, guys. I say guys, meaning just as a group, talking to everybody, not just specifically for the guys. So I guess I should say guys and gals.
What's up?
But anyway, guys, that's it. Till next time. Peace.